Hi guys, welcome to this session on LibreOffice Writer. In this module I want to show you how to use AutoText to put text onto the screen, paragraphs, simple lines of text or phrases. So on the screen I've got some examples which I'm going to use right now. To use AutoText you go to the Insert tab and in the middle you've got the AutoText button. You click on that and then you've got some preset or preloaded options that are already there with their name and their shortcut, and if I collapse that off, and then you've got templates and you've got standard, different options with a little name that you can put there. You basically type R2 and then F3 and this will come in. Now at the moment my AutoText is blank, so if I just close this off for a minute and say I want this as to be an AutoText entry, this little group, I'll click on AutoText, I'll give it a name, I'll just call this Steve. The shortcut is S. What I need to do now is go AutoText New, and then that has now come underneath there like that. So if I close this box and then get myself down here a bit and just type S, and if I do F3 it drops it in. Or I could go AutoText and just click on Steve and then insert and it will drop it in. But that is now in the AutoText gallery, if you like, ready to go. Now if I do a paragraph, so the same sort of thing, so I'll call this project. So go to AutoText, give it a name, call it project. So P is the shortcut. You can change that shortcut or make it longer if you want. And then I go to AutoText New, and then it's there, and then I could insert that if I want, but I'm going to close it because I want to just type the letter P and then F3 function key, and that will drop it in. Or like I said before, you go up to there, click on project, insert, and in it comes. Now if you've made a mistake, what you can do is down the bottom there, so if I click on project, you've got the AutoText button, you've got rename, delete or edit, so you can go back into it and fix it if there is a mistake. Now if I come off this, that was a line, that was a little phrase if you like. Now this is a paragraph of text, so let's call this intro. This is an intro paragraph that I use in letters maybe. So you go back in there, call it intro, and I'll put intro in there this time, so I'll put a bigger phrase in there. So I'm going to type intro and then F3. So AutoText New, intro goes in there, close. So now I'm going to type intro F3 and it'll drop that paragraph in. So that's the intro to my letter. So I could have a letterhead, my address, etc., as well as the signature block. One last one, the ending. So maybe this is an ending of a letter that I do. So AutoText, call this end, and the abbreviation can be end as well. And then AutoText New, and then it goes into my list. Close that, and then just type the word end and then F3 and it drops that paragraph in. So using AutoText is a very quick way to populate a document with generic standard text rather than just using a template. This allows you to drop paragraphs wherever you want the paragraphs to be. Obviously you would have to populate the AutoText gallery first and then you can do this. But hopefully this has been of use. Thank you for your time and I'll catch you in the next one.